Imagine missing out on half your sales every single day. That's what you're risking without a mobile optimized site. Let's fix that. Hello there, my name is Matt and welcome to the Mint Condition, the go-to destination for scaling your membership business. If your mobile website isn't converting, this video is going to help you instantly change that through effective persona-based mobile optimization. Let's jump straight into mobile site optimization and its pivotal role in capturing the mobile shopper audience. Alright folks, the stats from last year have spoken loud and clear. Mobile shoppers were out in force during the holiday season, especially during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But here's the catch. Mobile shopping is where the majority of purchases are made. So why is mobile site optimization absolutely critical for businesses? You have to capture a larger audience and maximize those conversions during the holidays. If you're not mobile friendly, you're missing out, and we're here to make sure you don't. Let's dive into an ever-evolving issue. We've got mobile window shoppers, folks who scroll through your site with the swipe of a finger, but stop short of making a purchase. The question is, why do they bail? A whopping 85% of adults think that a company's mobile site should be as good or better than its desktop website. Yet, how many businesses are actually living up to this expectation? But here's where we flip the script. We're going to unlock the secrets to how to optimize your website to not just meet, but exceed user expectations. By implementing responsive, user-friendly designs that make shopping on a small screen feel big, we can capture more of the mobile users who are leaving your website. Let's think about the smoothness of the scroll, the responsiveness of each tap, and the clarity of content that turns browsing into buying. We're aiming for a frictionless experience that makes the journey from product discovery to checkout as effortless as possible. And what about those shoppers who are still on the fence? A well-placed, well-timed call to action can be the gentle nudge they need. Last year, mobile users were 30% more likely to complete a purchase when presented with a clear, easy-to-hit CTA. You don't want your call to action to ask for a click. You have to project ownership and transformation through your entire website, even with that call to action button. This requires a shift in mindset from throwing features and benefits in your visitors' faces to projecting the transformation your product or service will give them. This simple shift in mindset is one of the main ways we grow our clients' companies and make them millions. Excuse me. I knew it was coming. Now, let's touch on crafting touch-friendly interactions. Ensuring that your mobile site is touch-friendly is a key component of mobile site optimization. Consider how a mobile user is browsing your site. Put yourself in their shoes. The way they scroll through your site and click elements is with their thumb. Then take it further. Think about your specific persona, your demographic. Are they young adults or are they seniors? And guess what? Times are changing. More seniors are actually using mobile devices to browse the internet. Your mobile users interact through touch, so it's essential that the buttons, links, and interactive elements on your website are large enough and well spaced enough to prevent accidental taps. The older your audience, the bigger and more spaced out these elements have to be. Also consider swipe and gesture functionality when applicable, and don't leave anything up to chance. You also have to tell your mobile viewer how to interact with some elements if they are out of the norm, like scrolling left to right instead of up and down, in the event you're using a carousel. Be sure to always keep your target market front and center when optimizing your mobile site. When trying to perfect mobile optimization, your user's journey is your blueprint. Every tweak, every change, and every decision should revolve around enhancing mobile optimization for your target audience. Who are they? What do they desire? Are you reaching out to tech-savvy early adopters or a more mature seasoned demographic? Knowing your personas and target market needs to be the compass that will lead your mobile site optimization efforts. Doing so will lead to an instant increase in conversion and ultimately lead to business growth. Think of it this way. You have to make it stupid easy to take action for your target audience. Is your site stupid easy to use on mobile? Have you even tried browsing your site on mobile? Holiday sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas sales aren't just in store anymore. These massive sales are in the palm of your customers' hands. Consider these recent statistics. Online sales for Black Friday 2022 totaled a record $9.12 billion. Now that's a billion with a B. However, Cyber Monday sales broke e-commerce records totaling $11.3 billion. The entire week of online sales totaled over $35 billion. Okay, so what? The reason this is so important is because 51% of those sales came from mobile devices. Okay, so 1 week of holiday sales generated $35 billion, and half of those purchases were made on mobile. Sure, that absolutely illustrates the critical importance of optimizing your website for mobile devices, but there's more. Conversion rates on mobile, the amount of people who actually visit your site and purchase, are far lower than conversion rates on desktop during this time. This means that mobile users are visiting businesses like yours way more than they are on desktop, but guess what? They just aren't actually placing the order. So if you incorporate responsive design on mobile that elevates the user experience, envisions a transformation, and is actually tailored to your personas, you're gonna thank me, because your business will grow exponentially. And there's so much you can do to maximize your sales during this time. If you implemented proper marketing funnels and follow-up techniques, you could easily turn $100,000 in sales to $1 million in 2024. So be sure to hit that subscribe button for weekly content on how exactly you can do that. Now, looping back around to holiday sales and all this Black Friday stuff, this is a unique chance for emerging brands to boost their visibility through mobile optimization. Remember that $35 billion in online sales made during the Thanksgiving week? 37 of those sales, or only 37, 37% of those sales were from individuals buying from a new brand for the very first time. Holiday sales events are the perfect time for new and upcoming businesses to attract and convert first-time buyers. Also, by establishing a strong mobile optimized presence with your brand, you can capture more of those sales for your business rather than your competitors. And there you have it, playa. The blueprint for... Different audience. Wrong persona. And there you have it, my friends. The blueprint for unlocking the true potential of your brand's mobile presence. Damn it. As we close the chapter on today's deep dive into mobile site optimization, remember this. Optimizing your website for mobile devices is no longer optional. In fact, you need to cater your optimizations to your personas or you simply won't achieve high conversion rates on mobile. With more eyes than ever on mobile screens, your business can't afford to lag behind. Whether you're fine-tuning your mobile optimized design or revamping your approach to increase mobile optimization, every step you take is a leap towards future-proofing your brand. And remember, one of the most important things outside of mobile optimization entirely, people will judge your business based on what they see on your website. So if your website doesn't convey what you offer at the highest quality to your personas, your viewers will become lost customers that simply don't think you care about your business. It's a terrible truth, but a truth nonetheless. Your job is to raise the perceived value of your business through your website. So gear up and get ready to make your website mobile friendly. It's time to optimize, revolutionize, and maximize your mobile potential. For emerging brands, the holiday season is your opportunity to make it big. For established businesses, it's the chance to reaffirm your commitment to your customers. No matter where you stand, the time to act is now. Because when the holiday rush hits, you'll want to be the brand they remember, not just on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but every day. I appreciate you for sticking it out to the end. That truly shows me that you are committed to your business and you're ready to scale. What's one change you could make today to enhance your mobile site's user experience? please leave a comment with your takeaway down below that like button. It truly does help us get our message out to more businesses, which is what we're all about. Now, if you like this video, then I really think you'll like this next video that's on screen now. Remember, do something extraordinary today and set yourself apart from your competition. Believe me, no one is doing this. It's your turn. All right, should I do like some hand stuff? Like,
I don't know.
Sure.